This is a short instructional video for one of our customers, but also for anybody else that needs to do this. How to change the cable hook on a Sebo XP model. That's XP10, XP20 or XP30, because they do differ to X7s. So obviously you'll take the wand and handle off first. And that locking pin needs to come out, which, as you can see, it's just a push and turn affair. That screw doesn't need to come out all the way, it just needs loosening. And that little metal strip there needs to come out. And you've got two screws here. And the cable hook pulls out like that. And the actual part that breaks separates like so. So we'll just build it back up again. That little metal strip goes back in. There's two different sizes of Torx screws in this, by the way. Which are the T20 that we sell and the T10 that we also sell if you need them. And that's all there is to it.